Hello friends, in this video, we will discuss about socialization in a healthy network. Well, as you can see, during the current pandemic, online learning is still being carried out by students and will continue to be carried out indefinitely. Of course, this is very likely to cause harm to them if they don't do it properly and healthily. The current COVID-19 pandemic is not only faced by one country, but throughout the world. Indonesia is one of the countries that has experienced a surge in the number of positive cases of the COVID-19 virus. The first case was recorded on March 2nd, 2020, exactly 1 year ago, which is still continuing this year. One of these has an impact of the education sector in Indonesia. In order to prevent the spread and of course to reduce the number of positive cases of COVID-19, the government implements a distance learning system or what is called online learning. This learning requires the teacher to explain the material and submit assignments online. The application of the system is actually not suitable if applied to elementary school students, considering that students at this level still really need real activities without reducing their knowledge in learning fields. If everyday elementary students are required to do assignments and then collect without any real activities, they will have difficulty and will definitely get bored. The use of electronic objects that are too often at their age will also have an impact on their physical health, especially the health of the eyes and other body parts as the cause of sitting too long or doing tasks online. Not only that, the feeling of boredom that arises is also not good for his mental health. For example, activities that have potential effectiveness that elementary school students can do are: number 1, shop at the nearest mini market or shop from home. Some of the lessons they can learn are mathematics, calculating and estimating prices, Bahasa Indonesia, read the name of the product to be purchased, use good and correct Indonesian to the cashier. English, translate purchase product into English. Civics, apply social norms, speak politely to the cashier, ask for help when experiencing difficulties. IPS, doing social interaction. PAI, tell the truth. Number 2, observe the types of leaf in the surrounding environment. Bahasa Indonesia, get to know vocabulary about plants such as roots, stems, and leaves. English, translate leaf color. Mathematics, counting the number of leaves and the number of flowers analyzed. IPA, recognize the shape of leaf or plants. Without reducing the effectiveness of both learning, teachers can provide direction to elementary school students to continue doing activities as they should at school. Teachers can continue to apply thematic learning so that students stay aware of the process and the knowledge gained at the same time. Communication between teachers and students is still needed in this both learning process. Steps that can be taken are through two-way communication between teachers and students, which can be done after students have successfully completed